now have our car, a rental car. This has been a day. Hey babe, are you ready? So in here we're trying to figure out where to park because they ran out of valets, and so we have to park the car ourselves. Luckily the parking in this hotel is free, so we finally arrived to our room for the night. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film the whole process of us getting in and checking in. I was honestly so overwhelmed. Everywhere you look is just so beautiful and stunning, so we took lots of pictures. But here, as you can see, I'm giving a little bit of a room tour. Sorry again for the really bad panning, and honestly the audio was kind of bad, so I'm doing a voiceover instead. Please bear with me as I'm trying to figure out this whole vlogging thing. They actually asked us to upgrade our room. They're also kind and polite. I think this room is one of their baseline rooms, but honestly it's already so stunning and unique and cozy, and I just love everything about it. And like the gold details, I absolutely love those. Funny story though, I was telling Brett that this is actually or probably the largest hotel I've ever stayed at, and then come to find out it's actually the second largest hotel in the whole world. That's insane. But anyway, I was trying to show you guys a little bit of our view, but it's too dark out, so we'll see maybe tomorrow morning.
The rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out.
Are you having fun? Oh my gosh, you're so tall.
Since you called my name, and I felt the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trusting diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find, yeah, say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous.
Oh my gosh, why did I have to do that? Am I that
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oops.
Long hair silhouette, champagne cigarettes. I try so hard to be something I'm not. So sure I'm distressed. Blame it on the internet. I try so hard to be something I'm not.
Where?
That ice cream looks good. Hello. Get that Sunday. It might be a Monday.
We are now leaving the Venetian hotel or resort, whatever they call themselves. Such an amazing experience.
I just hope that someone else can make me stop. 'Cause I think I'm turning around, but it's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry for not speaking up. I never share my feelings, but I finally get to be myself. I headed west, pictures at the discotheque. I try so hard to be something you want.
So whenever Brett and I travel outside of Canada or even outside our province, we try our best to eat out in places where we know we can't get back home. So we tried Krispy Kreme and the breakfast menu from Dunkin' Donuts, even if we've had them both before. But it's just nice to experience some things and food that you don't usually or normally experience back home. But yeah, Dunkin' was pretty mediocre though.